Good day, sir. So I'm Mark Lewingo, BSMD3 Section Betelgeuse. So the date for today is September 16, 2023. And the instruction is calculate the compass error and adjust the readings to obtain the true course and bearing. So for the number 1 is while proceeding up on channel on course 010 degrees per gyro compass, you need to have a pair of range lights and alignment with the mass of your vessel when view forward. A check of the chart showed the range to be 009 degrees true and the variation to be 15 degrees west. And if the ship's course is 026 degrees PSC, what is the deviation for the present heading? So I use the uncorrecting for this. So TVMDC 009 degrees, variation 15 degrees west, so I just add this to the TV, and the magnetic is the 0 to 4 degrees. So if you want to get the deviation is you just need to recording this course 026. So if 026 is the deviation is 2 degrees west, so the compass bearing is 026 degrees. And for the number 2 is while your vessel is proceeding down a channel, you notice a range of lights in line with your vessel's mass. If your vessel is on course 001 degrees per gyro compass, the charted value of the range of light is 359 degrees true. What is the gyro compass error? So course 001 degrees PGC, range of light 359 degrees true, and the gyro compass error is the 001 degrees minus 359. So you just need to minus this, subtract, so the result is the 2 degrees west. So for the number 3 is en route from Rio to Montevideo, the true course is 215 degrees and the gyro error is 2 degrees west. North wind causes 3 degrees leeway. What course will you steer per gyro compass to make good the true course? So 215 degrees true, gyro error is 2 degrees west and the 3 degrees leeway. So in order this to get is you just need to add this addition and add this 215 degrees true plus 2 degrees, then the result is 217 degrees true, and plus the leeway 3 degrees leeway, and the result is 220 degrees true. And for the number 4 is your vessel is steering course 149 degrees PSC, variation for the area is 13 degrees east and the deviation is 4 degrees east, and the wind is from the northeast proceeding 4 degrees and leeway. What course will you steer per gyro compass to make the true course? So compass 149 degrees, variation is 13 degrees east and the deviation is 4 degrees east, and I use the correcting this CDMVT. So 149 degrees and the deviation is 4 degrees east, so the magnetic compass here is 153. So I just add this and the variation is 13 degrees, then the true course is the 166 degrees true plus add the 4 degrees leeway, so it gonna be 1770 degrees true. So you just need to add this. Then the 5 is your steering 125 degrees PGC, the wind is southwest by south causing 3 degrees leeway. The variation is 6 degrees east and the deviation is 2 degrees west, and the gyro compass the gyro error is 1 degrees west. And what is the true course made good? So steering 125 degrees PGC, variation 6 degrees east, deviation is 2 degrees west, and the 3 degrees leeway, and gyro error is 1 degrees west. So I just use again the correcting here CDMVT, so 125 degrees and the 2 degrees west, so I just minus this, so the magnetic is gonna be 123 degrees and the variation here is the 6 degrees east, and the true course is the 129 degrees. So I just subtract subtract this. So I just this magnetic invariation is you're gonna need to add this, so you get the 129 degrees, and after this you're gonna subtract the 3 degrees leeway, so you're gonna get the 126 degrees true, and plus the gyro error here, the 1 degrees west, is you're gonna add this, so you gonna get the 127 degrees true. So that's all for my video, sir. Thank you.